Boeing Tower, flight 1943, 2,400 feet, Alex Zulu, runway 8.
1943, Burbank Tower, traffic will be in position 15, runway 8, clear to land.
Runway 8, clear to land, flight 1943.
Southwest 4253, Burbank Tower, traffic 4 mile final, runway 8, runway 15, line up and wait.
15 line up, wait, Southwest 4253.
Strike 403, contact SoCal departure.
SoCal departure, reach 403, thanks.
TV5, do you have the Metroliner in sight?
5 negative. Oh, sorry, TV5, traffic in sight.
TV5, roger, pass behind that traffic. Traffic 4 miles in trail of them is an Embraer. Expedite across final.
TV5 will go. Big Strap 111 to runway 8.
Big Strap 111, Burbank Tower. Traffic will be in position, runway 15, departing prior to arrival. Traffic 1 o'clock and 4 miles northbound. TV helicopter 1600 is going to expedite through the center line, runway 8, clear to land.
8, clear to land, Big Strap 111.
Flight 1943, turn right at Charlie 6, Charlie to park.
Charlie 6, Charlie 2, park, flight 1943.
Southwest 4253, traffic 2.5 mile final, runway 8, doing 130 knots, an Embraer jet, runway 15, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 15, Southwest, 4253. Calling flight 1943, can I exchange Charlie?
Negative, hold. Flight 1943, hold. Flight 1943, hold. Southwest 4253, cancel takeoff clearance.
Cancel takeoff clearance, 4253. So, I'm holding
Flight 1943, turn right on 15, right on Charlie, and have a tower for a number for you to call. Flight, correction, Southwest 4253. Do you need a cool down?
We don't know yet. Not likely, but we are going to have to taxi clear around checklist.
Southwest 4253, roger, turn left at Alpha 1, and then rejoin the holding area. We're going to get you a new flow window. Sorry about that. He read it back and was observing, looked like he was turning.
Yeah, no problem. All right, left turn Alpha 1. Thank you.
Flight 1943, contact ground. Expect a possible pilot deviation. Ground will give you the phone number.
Roger, contact ground, 1943. Tower, Southwest 42, you were ready to taxi.
Southwest 4253, turn left at Alpha 1, and then into the holding area.
Turn left Alpha 1 and into the holding area, Southwest 4253.
I'm sorry about that, guys.
That's all right.
Southwest 4253, you're going to work on a new window. We're going to try to get you out of here as soon as you're ready. Just let me know when you are ready.